Hello everyone, this is Adil from System Support Team, and today in this session we will discuss about the SOA, Statement of Account, in SmartTech software, that how you guys can download the SOA from the system and how you guys can work, and how you guys can settle your SOAs with our finance team. Okay, so for the SOA, you just need to go into the dashboard and click on SOA, right? I have logged in from our one of the agent on board newly. So when you click on that SOA, a separate window will be open, right? And in the SOA, if you want just upload type, export, import, you can find all the details. If you want a month-wise SOA, so you can check on month-wise. Otherwise, you can check on date-wise. So I'm going to download the SOA for month-wise, and for the month, I want to download the August, right? Then you have checked a mark checked on current month. In the current month, so when you check on that, all the transaction you have made in the month of August will be reflect in your SOA only. But if you uncheck that, the past 3 months transactions will be reflected in the SOA. So if you want to download the SOA month wise, so don't forget to check mark check on current month. Okay, then just download it. This is the statement of account, right? And you can find the summary in first tab, the opening balance of the month, and import, export, transshipments, detention commission, and so on, right? Everything will be reflect in this summary tab. In the second tab, in export part, when you generate the BL and finalizing the BL in this SmartTech software, all the details will become in the export part, right? The BL number, container numbers, POL, transshipment port, POD, carrier, slot, EDD, type, collection, and expenses, right? So all the details will come from the system when you generate the BL in the system. And if you find anything which is not correctly mentioned in this report or in this SOA, you can correct it, right? And highlight those changes and highlight it to the finance team of in the principal office, that you have made changes, that these details should be this, and but these details are not correctly visible in the SOA form which you have downloaded from the system. So it should be correct. So they will work with you, and they will assist you to update all those details in the system, right? So for the export part, this is all the details you have to check, right? For the import part, uh, if you have some imports in the month of August, so all the details will be reflected in the system when the POL agent submit the PL and the booking in SmartTech software. You just need to make sure that all the details are correctly mentioned. If not, then you have to highlight those changes and raise it to the finance team in the principal office. Okay, and if there is something that you are considering that shouldn't become in the export or import part, so you can add these details in other tab, right? All the details which is not pertain to the export or import part, so you need to mention in the other tab. Okay, and you have to raise this changes, and you have to highlight those changes or concerns to the finance team in the principal office as well, but the format should be the same, right? CAD damages caused, empty storage, export detention, import detention, all the details will come from the system when the BL or SI will be finalized in the system, right? So you just need to download the SOA from the system and just go through it. And if you are maintaining your SOA from your local system as well, so you just need to match those details from your local system and from our system, right? Both of the SOS you have to match, and if there is something that should be highlighted to our finance team that those details are not correctly visible, so you have to highlight those details, and our finance team will work on that, and will let you know the complete process that how you can fix those details. So this is all about the SOA format, and you just need to make sure that the SOA should be sent to our finance team uh, before the 7th of date of the next month. For example, if I'm downloading the SOA and I'm going to settle the SOA for the month of August, so I have to update those details and send it to the principal office finance team before 7th of September, right? So we have to raise our queries and send it to send it to the principal office before 7th of the next month, right? So this is all about the SOA format, and if you want to discuss or have some questions, you can still reach out to the principal office. We will surely assist you. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Bye bye, take care.